There's a very simple beauty secret that costs nothing, requires no luxury cosmetics, yet it helps many people achieve brighter, smoother, and more naturally radiant skin day by day. The most surprising part? You already have it in your kitchen. So what is it, really? Hello to all our dear viewers of the Live Well Everyday channel. Today, I'd love to share with you a natural skincare tip using a humble ingredient, rice water. It gently cleanses the skin while noticeably improving its brightness and smoothness over time. If you're dealing with dull skin, dryness, or frequent breakouts, I highly recommend watching this video to the end. I'll walk you through the proper way to use rice water for washing your face, share little-known benefits, and recommend some foods you should eat to nourish your skin from the inside out. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. It truly motivates me to keep creating and sharing more valuable content. And let me send a warm and heartfelt wish for your health. This is my sincere way of saying thank you for always supporting Live Well every day. Your views, shares, and care are what inspire me to continue spreading useful knowledge. Now, let's get started. Before diving into today's main topic, I'd like to share a few insights so you can better understand your skin, the body's largest organ and a clear reflection of your inner health. When we understand our skin, we can care for it properly without needing expensive or complicated routines, just simple and effective steps that bring lasting results. When people think about skin, they often associate it with beauty, but in fact, the skin is one of the body's most essential organs. Here's a gentle way to visualize it. Your skin is like a biological armor that protects you from dust, bacteria, UV rays, and environmental changes. The outermost layer, the epidermis, acts as a shield to lock in moisture, prevent dehydration, and repair minor damage. But when the skin lacks vitamins, moisture, or gets exposed to harsh chemicals, its protective ability weakens, leading to issues like dullness, acne, peeling, and premature aging. That's why proper skincare is not just about looking good, it's about protecting your overall health. Especially for those who value simplicity, natural and safe ingredients like rice water should be a top choice. Rice water is not only gentle, but it's also rich in beneficial compounds that help repair, nourish, and gradually rejuvenate your skin, making it healthier and more radiant every day. Now, I know many of you might still wonder, is rice water really that good for the skin? And if so, why? The answer lies in its natural nutritional composition. That cloudy white liquid actually contains a wealth of nutrients, especially B vitamins like B1, B3, and B5, along with vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and a trace amount of iron. These nutrients play an important role in skin cell regeneration, healing, strengthening, and improving skin tone, making your complexion look even and vibrant. But that's not all. Rice water also contains ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from harmful UV rays and environmental pollution. And then there's allantoin, another component in rice water that soothes irritated skin, reduces redness, and promotes healing of minor skin damage. Most importantly, rice water is gentle, affordable, easy to find, and suitable for almost all skin types, as long as it's used the right way. That's why many people have turned to rice water as a natural, budget-friendly, and effective skincare solution. And to get the full benefits, I'll now guide you through how to properly use rice water for face washing, safely and effectively. First, to get the best skincare results from rice water, you need to extract and store it correctly. When rinsing your rice, discard the first wash. This water often contains dirt and impurities from the rice's outer surface. Then, collect the water from the second rinse. This is where the beneficial nutrients are. Let this rice water sit for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the nutrients to settle at the bottom. After that, gently pour out the clear upper layer for use. If you're not using it immediately, store it in a clean glass jar with a tight lid, and refrigerate it For best results, use it within 1 to 2 days. If the rice water develops a sour smell or forms a film on top, it means it has fermented. Do not use it, as it could harm your skin. Once you have the right rice water, here's how to apply it correctly. First, wash your face with warm water or a mild cleanser to remove dirt and open your pores. Then, soak a cotton pad or clean cloth in the rice water and gently dab it all over your face, forehead, cheeks, chin, and around the nose. Massage your skin in gentle circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Moving upward, this not only helps the nutrients absorb better but also stimulates blood circulation, leaving your skin glowing and firmer. Next, let your face air dry naturally for about 5 minutes. No need to rinse right away. During this time, the rice water forms a thin layer on the skin, locking in moisture and allowing the nutrients to penetrate more deeply. Once it's dry, simply rinse with clean water and gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. Your skin will feel smooth, cool, and incredibly soft to the touch. With such a simple method, using rice water 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. Avoid daily use, as your skin also needs time to naturally repair and absorb nutrients. Overusing it may disrupt the skin's balance, especially for those with sensitive skin. Used correctly, rice water can make a noticeable difference in a short time. It gently cleanses without the dryness that chemical cleansers often cause. Thanks to its rich vitamin and antioxidant content, it gradually brightens the skin, evens out tone, and improves dark spots or acne marks. The result is healthy, glowing skin with a soft, natural radiance. It also helps tighten pores, reduce oiliness, and minimize blackheads and whiteheads. Its calming effect makes rice water ideal for easily irritated or sun-exposed skin. What many people care about most is how rice water helps balance the skin's natural moisture. It doesn't leave your skin feeling tight or dry. Instead, it leaves behind a soft, hydrated layer that keeps your skin feeling comfortable all day long. Truly, washing your face with rice water is an effective, affordable, and easy skincare solution you can do right at home. We've just gone through a simple, natural routine for caring for the skin from the outside. These may seem like small steps, but done consistently, they can bring powerful results. Before we move on to the next part, nourishing your skin from the inside, how are you feeling so far? If you're enjoying this, feel free to drop a comment or leave an emoji below. Small interactions like these really do inspire me to keep sharing more helpful content in future videos. I understand many people tend to focus heavily on external skincare while unintentionally forgetting that beautiful skin starts from within. What we eat, how we drink, and even our daily habits all affect our skin, often in quiet but powerful ways over time. The first and most important step to healthy, glowing skin is simple: drink enough water every day. It may sound basic, but in reality, many of us tend to forget this. An adult body needs about 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily, which equals 8 to 10 glasses. To maintain natural skin hydration and support detoxification through sweat and the urinary system. When fully hydrated, your skin cells are refreshed from within, leading to plumper, smoother, and brighter skin. On the flip side, dehydration makes skin rough, flaky, dull, and more prone to early signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Water isn't just for beauty, it also plays a key role in cleansing your body. When you drink enough water, organs like the liver and kidneys function more efficiently, helping flush toxins from your blood and digestive system. This internal cleansing process benefits your skin, reducing acne, inflammation, or dullness. Common signs that your body may be dehydrated include cracked lips, flaky skin, infrequent or dark-colored urine, prolonged fatigue, or trouble focusing. So never wait until you feel thirsty. Develop the habit of sipping small amounts of water throughout the day. If you want to level up even more, start your morning with a glass of warm water or water with a few drops of lemon juice. This simple habit gently wakes up your digestive system, stimulates liver function, and lightly detoxifies your skin every morning. Remember, glowing skin doesn't come from expensive creams, but from daily habits as simple as a clean glass of water. Caring for your skin starts at the root, your health, and water is the foundation you can't skip. In addition, fresh fruits are a rich source of skin-friendly vitamins. Try oranges, lemons, grapefruits, strawberries, kiwis, or tomatoes, all packed with vitamin C, which helps stimulate the production of collagen, an essential protein that keeps skin firm, elastic, and youthful. Tomatoes are especially rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps improve skin pigmentation and fade dark spots. Alongside hydration, nutrient-dense seeds and nuts are excellent additions to your diet. Walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds may be small, but they're full of omega-3s, vitamin E and zinc, all of which are crucial for healthy skin. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated or acne-prone skin. Vitamin E acts like a natural barrier, locking in moisture and keeping skin soft and smooth. Zinc supports wound healing and oil control, significantly improving acne-prone skin. For those with dry or aging skin, consuming just 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds or nuts daily can help maintain firmness, reduce fine lines, and keep your skin looking youthful. In fact, studies show people who regularly eat nuts tend to have more even, glowing skin than those who don't. You can snack on them directly, sprinkle over yogurt, mix into salads, or blend into smoothies. Easy and delicious. Caring for your skin starts not only from what you apply, but also from the smart choices on your plate. Another healthy habit to maintain is drinking herbal teas or fresh vegetable juices. Natural drinks like green tea, artichoke tea, chamomile tea, or juices from pennywort, carrots, beets, and celery are excellent for cooling the liver, aiding digestion, and supporting detoxification through the skin. These drinks can reduce breakouts, dark spots, rashes, and leave your skin looking noticeably clearer and more vibrant each day. They don't just calm your body, they help purify your skin from within in the most gentle, natural way. But to make all your efforts worthwhile, you must stay away from silent enemies of your skin: refined sugar, greasy fried foods, fast food, soda, and alcohol. These not only harm your liver and kidneys but also overload your detox systems. Over time, the toxin buildup reveals itself through breakouts, dullness, and premature aging, even if you're still young. That's why, if you truly want radiant, healthy, pink-toned skin, you can't rely solely on creams or masks. The key is a two-way approach. Care for your skin on the outside, and nourish it properly from the inside. Only when your body is fully supported and your skin is holistically protected can you achieve lasting beauty at any age. This is the smart, safe, and long-term way to care for your skin, and preserve your youth over the years. Dear friends, skincare doesn't have to be complicated or luxurious. Sometimes, it just takes a warm glass of water in the morning, a handful of nuts each day, or simply sleeping an hour earlier, and your skin will transform. Day by day, beauty doesn't come from miracles, it comes from consistency, understanding, and choosing wisely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below, share it with someone you love, and hit the subscribe button to keep joining me on this journey toward natural, healthy, and sustainable beauty. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.